How to send your resume to Quebec. Hi, I'm Michael, and I help the people who want to immigrate, work, study, or invest in Quebec or in Canada. Welcome on this channel. In this video, we will see how to send your resume in Quebec. But before to start this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you want to miss nothing, click on the bell. The first point you should to know before to send your email is to find the website of the job website. Well, when you want to find a job, you will check on the job website, and the first thing you should to know is just to looking for the website in your field, because there is many job website, and you should to find your the best ways I think you should to know is to find the website of your field. And you will, in this website, you will see many jobs in your field, and it will be easier for you to send your email. The second point you should to know before to send your resume is to make your resume like the Quebec resume. Well, there is some standard in Quebec, and well, for the people who want to immigrate or to find a job, it will be easier for the person who want to hire you to find your resume is like the standard in Quebec. And well, and I talk about that in the other video, how to make a resume in Quebec, and you will have some good tips, some good information for making your resume like a standard in Quebec. And I think you should to adapt your resume in Quebec. Like if we talk about your diploma, your experience, your competency, because your diploma, it's very important for you to adapt your diploma with the system, the education system in Quebec, because your diploma is not the same value in Quebec, and that's why you should to make comparative studies about for what is the real value your diploma with the education system in Quebec. And you should to make this first action for if you want to have more chance for finding a job. Second thing, it's adapt your responsibility and your task in your resume, because if you don't make this work, it will be very harder for you, for more difficult for you to find a job, because you for the people who want to hire you, it will be easier if you make this work to adapt your competency, your task, your responsibility you have in your actual job, and you will demonstrate you have the good skill for this job. And I talk about that in my video, how to make a resume in Quebec. The third point I will talk is how to send your resume. Well, you have four ways to send your email. The first ways to send your email is to on the site. When you have been on on Monster or monster.ca or Jobilico or Indeed or whatever, some site like this on a job website, you can go on to send your resume on this website. The second ways you should to send your email is on the company website. So you go on the website of the company and you put your resume on this website, and it's the second ways you can send your resume. The third ways you can send your resume is spontaneous application, and you go there on the website of the company, and you can put your resume on this application, and you will have more chance for finding a job. The fourth ways you can go on for sending your resume is go on the website of the company, and you check for what is the responsible of the person who will want to hire somebody, and you can send your email to this person, this responsible person of the company, and you can have more chance for finding a job. The fourth point you should to know before to send your resume is knowing of the immigration law, because when you will send your resume, the person who will hire you don't know not very much what is the immigration law. It's a specialty. And well, if you want to immigrate in Quebec or in Canada or whatever, it's very important for you to knowing this immigration law, because for you, is it possible for you to immigrate with this program or for another program? And before to start your for finding a job, it's very important for you to knowing this immigration law. And I have a training on this information, and my training is how to immigrate and find a job in Quebec without pulling your hair out. And with this program, with this training, you will have all this information for knowing what is the program you should to know for your situation, personal situation. The fifth point you should to know before to send a resume is you should to know to make a resume for each position you looking for. If you make a general resume for all the position, it's a real big mistake for you, because your resume will go into the trash probably, because you don't make the effort for matching your resume with the job position. And if you don't make this work, I know it's a hard work for you, but it's better to find a couple job, and you make your resume just for each job, than to make a general resume for all the job. But if you send your resume for all the jobs with just a general resume, well, your chance for finding a job is very, very, very low. And so if you want to maximize your chance for finding the job, it's very important for you. You should to make your resume for each resume you make, for each job position you make a resume just for each job. And I know it's very long and it's very hard for you, but you will check for your diploma, your experience, your competencies, and all the things. And this information must be relevant for each position. Well, we are almost at the end of this video, and if you want to have more information about for your resume, just you can buy my training, how to immigrate and find a job in Quebec without pulling your hair out, and you will have all this information, include the immigration law in this training. And well, with this information, you will have more chance to find a job. I remember you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, just to put a like, it's very appreciated. And if you want to let a comment or just to ask your question in this video, or you can go on my forum on my website canadian-styleresume.com, and you can ask your question on my forum in French or in English. I will answer you. So we will see you in the next video, and for today, thank you and bye bye.